Good morning, everyone. It is Tammy, and I am on my way to a meeting for work. And I'm leaving from home because I think I've mentioned that I'm working from home right now because they're working on our office. So as soon as they get that done, I will be able to go back to the office. But for now, this is how it is. And I am trying to make the most of it. It is a little awkward, I'm not going to lie about that for sure, because I don't have all my stuff, so it's kind of a little weird, but it's all right. I'm making do, and I enjoy working from home. It's kind of a nice change, although I do miss everyone. It's fun to see everybody. I'm actually going to this meeting early so that Jake and I can talk. He is the manager that I have on my team, so he's under me. I have my manager, Jake, and then I have analysts and engineers. So, yeah. And I haven't seen all of them together for quite a while now. Maybe not that long, but probably 2 weeks. So, kind of strange. But the new building that we're moving into is going to have room for all of us to be there because currently, well, I guess currently we're all working from home, but before that we were in 2 different buildings. So now we'll all be in one, which is fabulous. And not only just one building, but one area in one building. So woo! That will be super nice. So what else? The last vlog I did was on my birthday, and I had a very happy birthday. Thank you for all of the sweet wishes. I absolutely appreciate it and appreciate all of you. It has been great. Although my son had his phone stolen on my birthday, so that was a real bummer for him. And I know he's trying to pick up all the pieces of that and figure that out, but that's difficult, man. Gosh. Seems like he keeps getting some blows too. And this was no fault of his, so it's extra aggravating, but he'll make it through. I know he will. I've even told him that he could move back home anytime he wanted to. So we'll see. I laugh about it, but it would be great. In my opinion, I think that he's still awfully young and he's starting off really hard trying to get this life thing going, and you know, adulting sometimes just really stinks and it isn't as easy as you think it might be. So he's learning that the hard way, and maybe it's not time for him to do that quite yet, but that's up to him. It's not my decision. You know, living at home brings its own things, and then so I don't know. He knows that it's available, and yeah, so that's all I can do. So just continue to pray for him and think of us and all of that, and I greatly appreciate it. And Katie will be home this weekend for spring break, so that's fun, and she's going to bring her best friend / roommate. Her name is Karis. She is going to stay with us Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and that will be fun. I'm kind of looking forward to that. She's a sweet girl, but I do need to clean extra good. Well, not extra good, that's silly, but I don't know. You know, you want it to be presentable and nice and all of that, so there's a lot that I'd like to do. I don't know how much we'll get done, but that's what's on my agenda for tomorrow night and Friday night, because today is Wednesday, and tonight I think we are delivering Alex's bed to him, so that'll be nice, and I'm gonna bring dinner. I don't know what I'm going to bring yet, but something. Maybe I'll bring fazoli's. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it is Italian. You can do spaghetti and fettuccine and give you breadsticks and salad. So maybe I'll do that for them. We shall see. What else do I know? I don't know a lot, really. That's about it. Last night was Taco Tuesday, And instead of making tacos, and not that I always do tacos on Tuesday, it's just fun that it's Taco Tuesday and we had tacos. We went to Taco Bell. We got tacos, and Dennis said he was really hungry, and we both just like regular tacos. So he said just to get a party box of them, and he would eat some then and eat some later. And so I got a box of 12, and he ate all of them. I could not believe he ate all, except for what I ate. I ate 2. So he ate 10 tacos. I couldn't believe it, but okay, Mr. Magoo. He's a growing boy, I guess. And I don't know, he said these tacos aren't very big, and I guess comparatively they probably aren't. But goodness gracious. I wonder how many Alex could eat, if Dennis could eat 10 of them. Now, he did eat them in 2 separate, like, he didn't eat them all at once. He waited a few hours. And I said, I thought you were going to take some to work. And he was like, oh no, they would be nasty if I waited and took them to work. And I think he's probably right. They'd probably be all soggy and yucky. So I wonder if I do that again, if maybe I should do soft tacos, because I bet those would be okay later. I don't know. But what I like to do is take one of the tacos and dump it into the other taco so it's like a really full taco, and then eat that. That's yummy, yummy. And I have no idea what the rest of the week holds. I do need to do my menu planning, and I need to, well, I don't need to, I want to work on my MD cards, and I want to finish a hat knitting. I want to get that hat off of the needles. I've had it on for too long. I've had lots of things on for too long because I haven't done any knitting for a few days. But I've been doing a lot of paper crafting, and I enjoy it so much. So, you know, you guys will get what you get, and you won't throw a fit. No, I know you guys appreciate, oh, I don't need to get off here. This is where I usually get off, but I need to wait and exit before I get off, since I'm going to a restaurant. It's a fancy place. Not fancy, but it could be fancy. I think it's fancy. It's very expensive in my opinion too, so, but it is delicious. It's called Sullivan's Steakhouse, and it is quite pricey as far as I am concerned, but the lunch prices aren't so bad. You can get your lunch for like 20 bucks, but that's still, you know, it's a lot. But here, I'm going for work, and it's always nice when we do that. For lots of reasons. And they let me pick where I wanted to go, and I really, it's hard to pass it up. I should really pick somewhere else next time, but I probably won't. Chances are good if they tell me to pick, it's where I'll pick. It's close to work, so I don't feel like I have to be gone too long, because that's also a concern of mine. I personally prefer to eat lunch at my desk. I don't like going out for lunch very often because I feel like I could be getting stuff done, and I also seem to really get a lot of stuff done when there aren't a lot of people around. So when everybody else is gone at lunch, I can get a lot of stuff done. When nobody else is there in the morning, I can get a lot of stuff done. So that's partly why I like to do that. So working from home is actually, I feel like I'm productive, which is great. But I don't feel like I'm as productive as I could be because I don't feel like I'm connected to everyone, so I don't feel like I have all of the information that I need at the ready like I usually do. So that's one of the harder parts, but it's all right. It's all right. I don't really have much else to say. I can't think of anything else. Can't think of anything else. I'm expecting some stuff from AliExpress. I ordered a ton of stuff, so I don't know that I'm going to do a haul on each one. I might just wait until I have a bunch and say these are all from AliExpress, because it's so hard there. I don't know if you guys have ever shopped there, but it's from China, so everything takes well, not everything, but lots of things take a while to arrive. This is going off on this one. No, I went off for Keystone. The person in front of me didn't let me in. Not very nice. Just be kind, people. Just be kind. What was I going to say? I don't know. I had something important and I forgot it. Must not have been that important. Oh, AliExpress. So that how it works is you order the stuff from China mostly, and it comes, and sometimes it takes a long time, sometimes it comes faster. It just kind of depends on shipping from China. I mean, it's from China, it's across the world. And then you go to AliExpress and you don't really know what buyer you're buying from. You just like, you can search whatever and all the things come up with all the different buyers. And sometimes, you know, the same seller sells a million, or I'm saying buyers, but it's really a seller. The same seller sells, different sellers sell the same thing. So you might buy one piece from this one, and one piece from this one, and one piece from that one, and one piece from this one. You put them all in your cart, and then you check out, and you pay once, but you've paid, you know, 10 different people for 10 different things. So it's hard to say, oh, this was from this shop, and this, so I'm not going to do that. But, and sometimes if it's by the onesie, I may not even do the, I may not even do the haul. But I'm now thinking in my head, I'm wondering if each seller sends things individually. I'm not sure. I guess I'll figure that out when I start getting my stuff. I should know. I've ordered enough stuff from them, but this was the first time I'd ordered like a million different things at once. So I'll have to see if they ship them together or if it gets shipped separately. Like if I put 10 things in the cart and bought it all together, does it come from one, like, I don't know. I don't know how it works. It's like, do each one of those come separately? And you do have to be careful sometimes because lots of them have free shipping, but some of them don't. And some of them will ship from the United States if they have that choice. You can option to ship it from the United States, and then they will charge you shipping. So if you want it shipped from China, they don't charge you, but if you want it shipped from the US, they do. So that's just a quick little tidbit from AliExpress. But if you haven't used it, the stuff is pretty neat. Now, I don't know that all of it's like technically quality. I don't know, but sometimes you get what you pay for, and you don't pay very much for these. So buyer beware, but it's out there and it's available if you are interested. So I guess that's it. I will let you guys go, and I will talk to you later, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. Bye-bye. Look at this cute kitty cat. Oh my goodness. This is Alex's cat, Flower. Oh my goodness. He's such a cutie. They thought it was a boy, but it's a little, I mean, they thought it was a girl, but it's a little boy. He's so handsome. He gives kisses. Oh, I just love him. My first grand kitty. Oh, and he wants to go that way, but I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna keep him. They said he likes to sit like a human sometimes, so I'll hold him like this. So cute. All right, bye.